PG Permaglass Quick Shine Clay Kit. Wash car thoroughly in a shaded area. Knead and flatten the PG Wonder Clay and spray PG Quick Shine Detailer. Glide the PG Wonder Clay with fingertips pressure on the surface in left-right or up-down motion. Run your fingers to feel the bumps and roughness disappear. Knead and fold to a new surface when dirty. Apply section by section. Clean excess with a damp PG microfiber polishing cloth. Wipe dry and buff the surface with PG microfiber finishing cloth. Smooth and shine. PG Permaglass Quick Shine Detailer can be used as upkeep maintenance.